Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best corner clamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kreg KHCCC 90-degree corner clamp. Kreg KHCCC 90 is one of the top vice concept capacity corner clamps for any woodworker, carpenter, and hobbyist. Its durable heat-treated steel construction with nickel plating can serve users for a long time. This clamp features a quick adjust handle for fast and straightforward adjustments up to 1-1/4 thicknesses. Moreover, the AUTOMAXX Auto Adjust system allows the clamp to automatically adjust to match the clamp's thickness within the clamp. When it comes to assembling boxes, drawers, cabinets, and cases, the V-wedge jaws grip the mating pieces securely to work on both 90 degrees corners as well as T-joints. And its cutouts on the clamp pads allow driving a pocket hole nail or screw to be applied without halting the process. Moving on at number 4, we have the NUZAMAS 90-degree corner clamp. This is a modern-style high-quality double-handle corner clamp from NUZAMAS manufacturers capable of performing heavy-duty construction. Durable construction and large capacity make this 90-degree corner clamp as an excellent option for making cabinets or box frames for severe woodworkers. Moreover, both the included clamps possess a quick release button that allows for a fast open and close function to make flawless adjustments, and the instant release of your workpieces becomes more accessible and safer. The corner clamp's slotted bottom design allows for easy positioning and installation in any workbench. It has a non-marring finish to deter pressure marks on the soft materials and forged steel screws for offering precise and smooth movement. At number 3, we have the SANDMINE double-handle 90-degree quick-release corner clamp. The durable construction and innovative functions like anti-skid double handle and aluminum alloy steel construction make SANDMINE 90-degree sharp-release corner clamp another versatile clamp for woodworkers, cabinet makers, handymen DIYers alike. This two-handled clamp features large rubberized handles, an excellent option for larger jobs like welding, framing, drilling, doweling, etc. because it requires more clamping power. It also features quick-release action-adjustable jaws that allow users for fast and easy setup and adjustments and instant quick release of the workpieces. If you want, you can use the device as a clamping device for 90 degrees corner joints, or saw guide for making 45 degrees miter cuts, and as a workbench vise. At number 2, we have the MLCS 9012 exclusive Merle multi-corner clamp. If you are a woodworker, then this MLCS 9012 exclusive Merle multi-corner clamp is worth buying. It is made of high-capacity ABS plastic and quick-release corners to facilitate the desired shape's rapid adjustment. For that reason, it will hold any type of frame and will allow users easy screwing, nailing, and gluing when and what they want to do in the project. This is a self-adjusting multi-corner clamp with non-marring jaw inserts that can align at any angle. In addition to that, its dual pivot feature allows the Merle to clamp virtually any size or shape, including circles, ovals, plus triangles, hexagons, octagons, and more. In addition to that, it has almost no capacity limitation. The 23 feet around steel banding can be extended to any length using standard 3/8" steel banding or strapping. And finally at number 1, we have the Milescraft 4005 90-degree corner clamp. Milescraft 4005 is a vice grip handle style with the addition of a soft rubberized grip handles clamp for assembling boxes, cabinets, and drawers. The overall sturdy materials construction, simple and quick adjustment of the jaw allows you to hold 90 degrees corners easily, and T-joints corners together. It has a unique swivel head that enhances ease of use. Its thumb screw mechanism makes it a great tool to hold pockets and is a quick and easy way to have pocket hole joints at 90 degrees. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.